Are you ready to transform your truck into the ultimate powerhouse? In today's video, we're diving deep into the realm of hard tonneau covers. These robust beauties not only enhance your vehicle's aesthetics, but also provide unbeatable protection for your cargo. Join us as we showcase the best hard tonneau covers that promise to elevate your truck's functionality, securing your gear from the elements and potential theft. Whether you're an outdoor adventurer, a construction worker, or just someone who wants to add style to their ride, we've got you covered. Don't miss out on our expert reviews, tips, and exclusive insights that will help you make an informed choice. Buckle up and let's hit the road to discover your truck's perfect match. Number 7. Tonneau Hard Shell Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The ultimate choice for your 2015 to 2025 Ford F-150 with a 5 feet 5 inches bed. This top-of-the-line cover is engineered with a durable aluminum frame and powder-coated matte black hinges, ensuring a premium quality finish that stands the test of time. Featuring EnduraShield panels, this cover is not only dent, fade, and scratch-resistant, but also remains cool to the touch during those hot summer days. What sets the Tonneau apart is its user-friendly design, effortlessly folded up using clamps that secure it when clamped down to the bed flange. Need full bed access quickly? No problem. It can be removed in seconds, without any tools or drilling required, with an extreme seal to keep bad weather out and a sleek, low-profile look. This cover offers both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Choose the Tonneau Hard Shell for the best hard tonneau cover and enjoy hassle-free protection and style for your truck. Number 6. Scover has truly set the standard with its low-profile hard folding truck bed tonneau cover. Designed specifically for the 2019 to 2025 Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 with a 5.8-foot bed. This sleek, textured matte black cover fits snugly inside the truck bed, allowing full access to stake pockets while enhancing the vehicle's aesthetic. Engineered to withstand extreme weather, it keeps your cargo safe from moisture, dirt, and debris, ensuring your belongings stay in pristine condition no matter the elements. What sets the Scover apart is its unique clamping system and automatic locking feature, providing unbeatable theft protection, with solid core hard panels rated to hold up to 500 pounds. Installation is a breeze with a no-drill assembly in just minutes, so you can focus on the road ahead. Plus, with a 5-year warranty against defects, peace of mind comes standard. For anyone looking for the best hard tonneau cover, the Scover Low Profile is undoubtedly the top choice. Number 5. Calf-free hard folding truck bed tonneau cover, CFHD 029, is truly a standout choice for anyone with a 2019 to 2025 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra featuring a 5 feet 8 inches bed, 69.6 inch. This trifold cover combines high quality with robust security. Constructed with professional FRP and aluminum panels, it boasts an impressive rating to hold up to 400 pounds, ensuring your cargo stays safe from theft and damage. Weather-resistant qualities are a highlight, as the cover protects against heavy rain, snow, dust, and extreme temperatures, keeping your truck bed dry and secure in all conditions. Plus, installation is a breeze, no tools or drilling needed. You can have it ready to go in minutes. And accessing your cargo is as simple as folding the cover back. Not only does the calf-free tonneau cover enhance the aesthetic appeal of your truck, but it also improves fuel efficiency by reducing wind drag. If you're searching for the best hard tonneau cover that offers protection, security, and convenience, look no further than the calf-free hard folding truck bed tonneau cover. Number 4. Top Tiny Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate solution for 2009 to 2025 Dodge Ram 1500 owners with a 5 feet 7 inches bed. This stylish cover features a shine-finished aluminum panel that not only enhances the aesthetics of your truck, but also protects against marks, scratches, and UV damage. With its secure locking mechanism, your cargo remains safe and sound once the tailgate is closed. Weathering the elements is no challenge for the Top Tiny cover, as it offers exceptional resistance to tearing, water, and high temperatures. This means your cargo stays dry and protected from heavy rain, snow, and dust. The installation process is a breeze, thanks to the included clamps that allow for easy and quick setup. If you're seeking the best hard tonneau cover to secure your truck bed while adding a touch of style, the top tiny hard folding truck bed tonneau cover is the perfect choice. Its combination of security, protection, and effortless installation truly makes it stand out in the market. Upgrade your Dodge Ram today. Number 3. Whale Motor Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate solution for 2007 to 2025 Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 owners seeking exceptional functionality and style. This custom-made cover fits the 5.8-foot short box perfectly, ensuring maximum protection while elevating your truck's aesthetics. Made from durable fiberglass, it can withstand even the harshest weather, offering incredible longevity without unsightly dents. The easy install and remove feature means hassle-free attachment without complex tools, allowing you to focus on what matters most. With reinforced hinges and secure locking mechanisms, your cargo remains safe from both the elements and potential theft. Plus, its sleek and aerodynamic design enhances fuel efficiency, providing better gas mileage during your highway adventures without any annoying flapping. Along with an extra weather stripping and a 60-month warranty, the Whale Motor Hard Folding Tonneau Cover is truly the best hard tonneau cover for drivers seeking durability and performance. Your truck deserves the best, and this cover delivers. Number 2. Gator EFX Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover. The ultimate choice for anyone looking to elevate their 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150, including the Raptor, with a 5 feet 7 inches bed. Proudly made in the USA with global materials, this cover features heavy-duty aluminum panels that automatically lock when closed, ensuring tough protection for your truck bed. The scratch-resistant, UV protective black powder coat finish not only adds durability, but also contributes a sleek, low-profile aesthetic that sits flush with your truck bed. Installation is a breeze, requiring no tools or drilling and taking less than 30 minutes to complete. But it's not just about looks. The Gator EFX comes equipped with an integrated water management system that channels rain, snow, dirt, and dust away, safeguarding your cargo against the elements. With its impressive features and ease of use, it's no wonder the Gator EFX is the best hard tonneau cover for Ford F-150 enthusiasts. Upgrade your truck today and experience the difference. Number 1. Real Truck BAK Flip MX4 Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate accessory for your 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150 with a 5 feet 7 inches bed. Here's why it deserves the title of Best Hard Tonneau Cover. Crafted from durable matte aluminum, this cover boasts exceptional security with its innovative panel design that latches automatically, ensuring your cargo is safe when your tailgate is closed. The stylish matte finish not only enhances the aesthetic of your truck, but also provides excellent protection against marks, scratches, and UV damage, thanks to its premium perimeter seals and hardware. Enjoy 100% bed access as you can operate this cover in various positions, closed, folded, or fully flipped up without obstructing your third brake light. This versatility is ideal for those who need both functionality and style. Made in the USA with globally sourced materials, the BAK Flip MX4 is a reliable investment that combines strength, security, and sleek design for your Ford F-150. In conclusion, a hard tonneau cover is a perfect investment for both protecting your truck bed and enhancing your vehicle's appearance. With options that cater to different needs and budgets, upgrading to a quality tonneau cover can significantly improve your experience. Remember to assess your preferences to make the best choice for your lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more great content.